Are you looking for best hammock straps? Hammock straps are an essential accessory for outdoor enthusiasts, providing a secure and reliable way to hang hammocks between trees, posts, or other anchor points. Choosing the right hammock straps is critical for comfort, safety, and ease of use, especially for camping, hiking, or backyard relax. Product number: Mallomi XL Hammock Straps for Trees. Hammock Tree Strap Set 2000 plus LBS Heavy Duty 40 Loops. The Mallomi XL Hammock Straps are a standout choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking durability and versatility. With 12-foot-long straps, 24 feet combined, 40 loops, and a load capacity of 2,000 pounds, these straps are ideal for heavy-duty use. Made from 100% polyester with triple-stitched seams, they offer a no-stretch suspension system that ensures consistent performance even in wet conditions. The included locking carabiners and carry bag enhance portability and convenience, making it a great option for camping and hiking. The Mallomi straps are compatible with various anchor points, including Product 2 Foxelli XL Hammock Straps Extra Long 20 Feet Heavy-Duty No-Stretch Suspension System. Foxelli XL Hammock Straps offer a compelling mix of affordability and performance, making them a great mid-range option. These straps are 20 feet long combined, with 40 attachment loops and a load capacity of 2,000 pounds. Constructed with high-density polyester webbing and triple-stitched seams, they are designed for long-term durability. Foxelli straps are compatible with any hammock and can be used indoors or outdoors, adding versatility to their appeal. The included carry bag makes them easy to transport, although carabiners are not included in the package. Performance-wise, Foxelli straps are lightweight, 0.66 pounds, and portable, making them a Product 3 Wise Owl Outfitters Hammock Straps for Trees Heavy Duty Set of 2. 10 feet long, Wise Owl Outfitters hammock straps are a premium option, designed for adventurers who value quality and convenience. These 10-foot-long straps, 20 feet combined, feature 38 loops and a load capacity of 400 pounds, making them suitable for lightweight hammocks and moderate loads. Made from reinforced polyester with strong stitching, the straps are built to last. The included carabiners and carry bags simplify setup and transport, while the 1-inch width ensures they are tree-friendly. While the Wise Owl straps are slightly shorter and have a lower load capacity compared to other models, their premium construction and ease of use make them a worthwhile investment. The product number: SZHLUX Hammock Straps for Trees Set of 2. 10 feet long SZHLUX hammock straps offers solid performance at an affordable price point. These 10-foot-long straps, 20 feet combined, feature 38 loops and a load capacity of 2,000 pounds, making them suitable for heavy-duty use. Constructed from premium polyester with reinforced stitching, the straps are designed to withstand wear and tear over time. The included carabiners and carry bag enhance convenience, and the strap's lightweight design makes them easy to pack for outdoor adventures. The SZHLUX straps are particularly user-friendly, with quick setup and tear-down times. Their adjustable loops allow for precise positioning, making them ideal for users who frequent. Product number: Hammock Tree Straps. Descenza Hammock Tree Straps are the budget-friendly option in this comparison, offering solid performance at just $8.59. These 10-foot-long straps, 20 feet combined, feature 16 adjustable loops and a load capacity of 1,400 pounds. Made from no-stretch polyester with triple power stitching, the straps are designed to withstand weather conditions and frequent use. The included carry bag enhances portability, making them a convenient choice for casual users. While Descenza straps are lightweight and easy to set up, their lower load capacity and fewer attachment loops may limit their versatility compared to higher-end options. They are best